Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and the Young Living Essential Oil Blend Breathe Again is really good if you have trouble with breathing, if your sinuses are clogged, if you're not feeling well, or even if the area that you live in is having a poor air quality. Breathe Again is so good. This essential oil blend, it's already, you don't have to dilute it. It's already blended up with a carrier oil. It has 3 different kinds of eucalyptus in it, peppermint oil, several other essential oils, and several tree oils, including blue cypress. So like, I don't know if you can see, but the lid is a little bit blue in color from the blue cypress. I drop a little. We got a very, very light pale blue color to it, but it's so good. Oh, you can rub it on your neck and chest. I've put when I'm not feeling well, I'll put a roller top on it and you can roll it right on. So just a few drops in the diffuser at night. You can put it in there along with lavender and other essential oils so that you can breathe well and sleep well. But that's just my point of view.